Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best dad puzzle out there. The Father's Day Dad Gifts 500-piece dad joke puzzle. If you're looking for a fun, unique gift that brings laughter and a challenge all in one, this puzzle might just be the perfect choice. This puzzle features 500 pieces filled with an assortment of cheesy dad jokes that are sure to put a smile on anyone's face, especially dads who love a good laugh. The jokes are clean and family-friendly, making it an entertaining activity for the whole family to enjoy together. Whether it's for a birthday, Father's Day, Christmas, or just a casual gift for dad, this puzzle adds a personal, humorous touch that sets it apart from ordinary puzzles. Measuring 16.5 by 22.5 inches once completed, the puzzle is a manageable size for puzzle enthusiasts of all skill levels. The pieces are made from high-quality, glare-free cardstock that fits together smoothly, which makes the assembly process more enjoyable without the frustration of poorly fitting pieces. What makes this puzzle truly special is the illustration itself. Designed by an acclaimed artist based in Minnesota, the artwork combines classic dad humor with colorful, engaging visuals. It's not only fun to build but also makes for a great piece of decor. Once completed, you can easily frame it and display it proudly in your home, office, garage, or man cave. It becomes a conversation starter and a reminder of good times and shared laughs. In addition to being a fun activity, this puzzle serves as an excellent white elephant gift or stocking stuffer. It's a novelty item that works well for gift exchanges like Secret Santa or Yankee Swap, bringing a lighthearted vibe to any gathering. Its small business roots also make it a thoughtful choice if you want to support independent creators. To sum up, this dad joke puzzle is not just a gift, it's an experience. It combines the joy of puzzling with humor that's tailored specifically for dads or anyone who appreciates a good pun. High-quality materials, a clever theme, and a size that's just right make it a standout product in the puzzle category. If you want to add a little laughter and bonding time to your gift giving, this dad joke puzzle is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to check it out for your next special occasion gift.